How to get American Express Grubhub credit. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. American Express offers certain cardholders a monthly dining credit that can be used for Grubhub orders. Here's how you can use this. Firstly, check your eligibility. The Amex Grubhub credit is available for cardholders of specific American Express cards such as American Express Gold Card. This offers a $10 monthly dining credit for eligible purchases. Check the benefits of your Amex card to confirm eligibility. The participating platforms besides Grubhub. This credit may also work with other services like The Cheesecake Factory, Goldbelly, Wine.com, and select Shake Shack locations. Now to enroll in the benefit, visit American Express or use Amex mobile app and navigate to the benefits section of your card. Follow the instructions to activate the dining credit if not automatically enrolled. Now, link your Amex card to Grubhub. Open the Grubhub and sign into your account and go to Payment Methods and add your eligible Amex card as the payment method. Now, select your Amex card at the checkout. Ensure the eligible Amex card is selected when placing an order. Now, place the order. Meet eligibility requirements. The dining credit applies only to qualifying purchases such as food and delivery fees, excluding tips or none other qualifying items. Use the Grubhub platform to place your order. The credit will automatically apply to eligible purchases. Ensure the total order value is at least $10 to maximize the credit. Now, check your statement. After your purchase, you will see a statement credit for the eligible amount up to $10 per month applied to your Amex account. Credits usually appear within a few days but can take up to a billing cycle. So, this is how you can get Amex Grubhub credit. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.